Hi, I'm Tom Schneider, responsible for research and development at TRUMPF Machine Tools. We love it when good technology makes a difference for you every day. That's why I will show you a function with a wow effect. Today, life insurance for your cutting head. We do everything we can to make sure that your machine has a long and happy life. Every now and then, there's a collision between the cutting head and the sheet metal. But when the collision happens, we at TRUMPF prevent it from damaging your machine and ensure that you can continue cutting in no time. All of our laser cutting machines have a special coupling in the cutting head. So our coupling simply deflects in the event of a collision. And the operator, me in this case, can easily steer it back. At the controls, I press play and we are back in the game. Instead of wasting time and money on spare parts, with TRUMPF you have zero damage, one handle and maximum reliability.